Here's Sean Sandoval, outside Badlang Bayan. Shot lock at 8. Bayan for 3. So now Santa Rosa with the ball. Could be the opening that they need here. And time to time he wants to. And a steal here, Badlang Bayan. Lead of Pangasinan down to 10 thanks to their defense. And the offense as well. Shots falling now for Santa Rosa to this ball game. Badlang Bayan. Back for this. And again, Badlang Bayan. Badlang Bayan is everywhere. As you take a look at this step back 3 over as well. Badlang Bayan. It's good. Badlang Bayan now with ball. Look at this. Strip from behind. And then Fabia with a foul. Badlang Bayan. Badlang Bayan with a ball fake. He throws it up and he nearly made that shot. Oh, and a steal by Badlang Bayan. Badlang Bayan to the rack and a foul. And Badlang Bayan again making the plays. Look at that. The deflection against Fabia. And then Badlang Bayan able to draw contact. Emilio off balance, passing it to Badlang Bayan, and then the presence of mind to give it to Pangasinan. Scores. Free throws. Badlang Bayan drains the first. Second shot is good. 120 to 130.